Welcome to Lipe, Day 3. Today, we rent a longboat for the day and go explore the best snorkeling sites that Lipe has to offer. We visit several places to snorkel and enjoy lunch on the island of Koh Adang, a national park. Come join us for a day of adventure and snorkeling. So we're on a longboat for the day. We just left the shore. No idea where we're going. We got our snorkel gear, but we're gone for the day with Maui Howie's videos and CJ in Paradise. This is where we're going to do some snorkeling. You know, I look over the side, and yes, you can. I can just see the bottom, so I suspect there's something to see down there. Camera's in its case, so I don't know how well you're going to hear me. So I just went in without the camera. Lance tells me before I even went in, current's very strong. I still went in, and he's absolutely right. There's about 10-15 feet of water here. The thing is, the current, like you see, the current very, very strong. And unfortunately, you know, you're spending most of your time hanging on to. They're hanging on to the ropes that are out here, and they're barely getting a chance to go under. Once I got back, I hung on to the railing, and then I was able to just, you know, take some time. But if you didn't have those buoys, yeah, your day would go bad quickly. But this was our first stop, and we're going to be going to an island where the current isn't as strong, and we'll do it again. As you can see, the water's not very deep, and there's some fishes, but the most important thing is Katai gets her first chance to go into the water. She's scared. Well, it's hard to say. She's got to, you know, she's trying to look in the water. That's good. Okay, bring her back. Bring her back. First time. As a northern Thai woman, Katai's fear of the water is to be expected. After supplying her with the correct equipment, she was determined to see the fish firsthand. At this spot, we were closer to the shore, and she could stand up if necessary. So her confidence grew. Yeah, no, you're doing fine. She's doing great. This location being closer to the shore unfortunately didn't have as many fish to see. So after about half an hour we packed up and we headed to the next site. So we're on one of the islands. National Park Island. I'm not sure the name. Someone didn't want to be in the film. We're just say again. Island. Okay, there it is. And we're just having a little lunch. We had some chicken wings and a salad. Just a nice little break, and then we'll be getting back on the boat, and we'll be. I don't know if we're heading back. I think we're going to one more beach and might do a little more snorkeling. We'll see how that works out. So far, it's been doing well. And Katai got in the water twice, which is just absolutely amazing. Each time Katai went into the water, her fears gradually faded.
Once accustomed to her mask and snorkel, she then was entrenched with the marvels of another world she had only seen on film. It's true I was disappointed that I couldn't get to go scuba diving, but the snorkeling sites on this island are absolutely amazing. The fish, as they say, the Maldives of Thailand.
Well, that was pretty awesome. Absolute amazing amount of fish. The coral is beautiful. And the incredible thing is, look at this. Somebody is just loving every minute in the water. She's hanging on to the ladder, and as long as she hangs on to the ladder, she knows she's safe, and she's just enjoying looking down at the fish. Always good for something new for somebody. That's amazing. Yes. Well, we've been to several places now. We've done several dives. We've gone for lunch. This is probably one of the best. What do you think, Lance? This is one of the best days here yet.
I think it's a really great time.
I think it's great. Great day on the island of Lipe. Here with Bokyo. Balkyo.
Yes, sir.
He's the one runs the.
Can you open already?
The long, yeah. The long boat tour that we just finished today. We had an awesome time. We went to 5 islands. We did lots of snorkeling, and we went and had lunch. It was one of the best days here. And this is the gentleman to thank. When you are in Lipe, come to Jakun and rent a long boat and enjoy your day. Until next time, remember,
Come to ask me. I need help.
Don't give up.
Everything here.
Remember, don't give up.